Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 5 things about date and time in Ruby. Number 1, you can use the time.now method or the time.new method to get the current date and time. Number 2, to get the individual date time components, you can use the methods such as year, month, day, hour, and so on. Number 3, use the to_a method to convert date time to an array and to_I method to get the number of seconds since epoch and to_f method to get the number of seconds since epoch with microseconds. Number 4, use the strft time method to format date and time with specific directives. For example, on line 22, I'm using the %a formatter to print the current day. Last but not the least, number 5. You can calculate time diff in seconds by subtracting two time objects. Here on line 27, I'm doing a diff between 8:01 a.m. and 8 a.m. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.